Hello and welcome to this Decicity guide on setting up multiple delivery options. From the seller's dashboard, click on Shipping Rates, then click the plus sign towards the top right of the screen. In the internal name text box, type in what area or region this delivery option is for example, UK mainland. In the description box, type out what postal service it is and how long delivery should take, for example, Royal Mail second class 2 to 4 days. If you ship based on weight, fill out the weight ranges on the delivery option. Fill in the price of the delivery option. Then select all the regions this delivery option is for, or select the country it is for. Lastly, select any categories that apply to the delivery option. If none are selected, it will apply to all your products. Remember to save once you finished. Thank you for watching this Decicity Seller's Guide.